Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pin audio and Instagram Reels. So a lot of you guys, once you want to pin an audio on Instagram, what you decide to do is to go into Reels right here, and after that you just go and look for this icon, and yeah, right here you are trying to pin the audio you're looking for, how to pin the audio. But what I advise you to do, guys, is to go into your profile, just from here, sorry, just from here, and the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture, and after that I want you to go into your Reels right here and look for that audio that you want to pin on which reel is that audio. And for example, this is the audio that this is the reel that you want to pin the audio from. So tap on that reel, and after that you can go into this 3 points. It's draft, so you will go into your 3 points. It will be on the top right corner. Tap on it. Well, right, sorry, save draft. So never mind. Go into the 3 points as I told you, and tap on pin. Right, so that's how to pin audio and Instagram Reels. That's how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones. And see you next video. Goodbye.